This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, April 21st. 2 Carnival Cruise Line ships have had upcoming voyages axed due to rescheduled dry dock maintenance. The Carnival Horizon's June 2026 transatlantic sailing from Barcelona to Miami has been dropped, while Carnival Magic will be out of service from April 18th until May 24th of next year. There's no details as to what will be done with the 2 ships while in dry dock. Dry docks are required every 5 years for ship maintenance, inspections, and upgrades. And an Australian passenger missed his $15,000 Florida cruise after being denied entry into the U.S. at JFK Airport. Now, he flew from Sydney, Australia, via Hong Kong on Cathay Pacific and then into New York City, being said an unusual route that raised red flags under the U.S.'s new enhanced border vetting. After 8 hours of questioning and searching his phone and laptop, he was sent back to Australia. This is despite holding valid travel documents and having no criminal record. U.S. Customs cited no specific wrongdoing, but said the decision was based on security protocol. And Princess Cruises is raising prices. The line said it's going to hike its onboard bundle packages starting on May 1st. Guests who wait until after boarding will pay $5 more per day for the Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages. That brings the new onboard pricing to $65 and $95 per day, respectively. Pre-cruise pricing still remains unchanged. These packages include gratuities, Wi-Fi, drinks, dining, and so on. The cost increase is said to encourage guests to book packages early to avoid extra costs during the sailing. And the markets were closed on Friday for Good Friday. They reopened later on this morning. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Monday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.